Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So, on this video, let's talk about how to find secret conversations on Messenger. So, before we get started, what are secret conversations? So, secret conversations are end to end encrypted chats on Facebook Messenger, ensuring that only you and the recipient can read the messages. Those conversations are device specific, meaning if you log into a different device, a different phone, a different laptop, different iPad, meaning those conversations will not appear. And with that being said, there's an update for this one already, because Secret Conversations has been updated to end-to-end encrypted messages. We call them end-to-end encrypted. Anyway, for this one, Secret Conversations, you can also open the Messenger app, access your chats, meaning tap on the chat tab located at the bottom left corner of the screen. Identify secret conversation, of course, and then search for a specific secret conversation. View the secret conversation, tap on the desired secret conversation to open and view messages, and notes that secret conversations are only accessible for the device wherein they are initiated. Take note about that one. They are not visible on the desktop version of Messenger or on other devices. Make sure to tap on your profile on the left corner to make sure you enable it. Scroll down and select Privacy and type on Secret Conversations and ensure it's turned on. Because sometimes it's turned off, so make sure you go to your settings and make sure it's turned on. Basically, that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll get back to you on the next one.